What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to get straight to it, guys. This crypto cycle's been a bit harsh, right? If you have been holding onto your bag, specifically AI and meme coins, you are down so much money at the moment. That's just the reality of the situation. Even if you were up a lot of money, actually, if you actually held on to all of these projects that were kind of just doing well, these low market cap AI coins, these low market cap meme coins, maybe you got in stuff like Ponky, GigaChad, they're all kind of in the mud at the moment. Now, moving forward, right, this cycle's been extremely hard to navigate. Even the most experienced of traders I know have been saying that. But let's talk about moving forward. This could be the next big opportunity in crypto, and I'm pretty convinced of it, right? It's not a guaranteed thing by any means, but guys, what would you do if I told you this could actually be the next Brett? So we're going to be speaking about the abstract blockchain and more specifically the meme coins on the chain. Now, I have two in mind, which are obviously Newt and Abster. Now, my conviction play is in Abster. Why is it in Abster? Because Abster is seemingly what would become the mascot of the abstract blockchain. Its name's Abster. It's a pudgy penguin type of aesthetic. The co-founder of the abstract blockchain is Luca Netz, which was, I think, one of the founders of Pudgy Penguins as well. So it kind of all makes sense to me like that, right? And Abster is sitting at about 11 million market cap from the last time I checked. Just got back from the gym, whatever. A lot can change in crypto. It could be 5 mil, could be 30 mil. That's how the markets go. But regardless, it's about 11 mil or so at the moment. I think this has the potential to become the next Brett, or at least half of what Brett was. And I think Brett reached upwards of 2.5 bill market cap, if I'm not mistaken. Now, if we go to 1.25 bill from here, that's more than 100x from here, right, guys? So if the thesis is correct, people start using the abstract chain, it becomes even half as popular as the base chain, which I believe has more potential than the base chain because other exchanges are more open to listing abstract rather than, base related tokens, because base is essentially trying to create a monopoly on the crypto industry and own everything. Coinbase are trying to take over. So a lot of exchanges don't really care much to kind of list those types of coins, right? But with Abster, we are onto something. It's a new blockchain aiming to obviously lower fees with Ethereum and everything like that, and kind of onboard everyday people onto the Ethereum chain. These layer 2 solutions are clearly going to be the way of the future. Ethereum just seems to never go away. And if we get this right, guys, this could be our major play to save this cycle. We're looking for that coin at the moment that's going to try and give us financial freedom, right? So in my opinion, guys, if you're missing out on the abstract chain at the moment, if you guys haven't taken any notice, by the way, all of the coins on abstract are pretty much going up in an upwards trend at the moment. It's kind of the hot thing behind the scenes that no one really knows about because the market's been getting smashed, right? So people haven't been paying attention to what's happening in the background. Now, this is where the important research and, just being level-headed with things comes in. You are going to be the early investors now. So, this isn't a shill type of video, guys. I don't gain anything from this really. Like, yeah, a couple of you guys in my community might buy Abster and the price goes up, right? But I'm not looking for that. Like, I'm not looking for a couple of you guys on the channel to buy it and I'm just going to sell it off. This is going to be a moonshot for me. It's a long-term potential thing. And this is potentially the ground floor. This isn't one of those things where in euphoria stage, I'm trying to get everyone to buy it. This is my community here watching this video more than likely, right? There won't be heaps of people watching this video. So I want to try and get you guys in early on this. If you don't agree with this, that's absolutely fine. I fully get it. Crypto's in the mud. It's a risk, and more than likely, guys, you'll probably lose money on this project. So I'm telling you right now, if you are not somebody that likes risking money in crypto, do not get involved in this, okay? But me personally, being involved in the market for all these years, and this is pretty much what I do for my living, right? I'm taking the risk on Abster here. I think the risk to reward ratio is massive on this coin. And if the abstract chain doesn't become something, so be it, right? We lose our investment, half of our investment, a quarter, whatever it may be that we cash out on. But for me, guys, it's just worth it. So you got to weigh up with yourself whether it's worth it or not, because I don't just want to be one of those influencer guys who comes on here with a new coin every day and starts talking about it. This is an opportunity I really think is there, not just some random new AI or meme coin, right? So when I have coins that I think can really do well, I try and share them on the channel with you guys. Obviously, a lot of my short-term and kind of mid-term trading things, I don't always share every coin I get into, guys. Like, that's not what I do here. I'm trying to make people on the channel a lot of money. Like, I want to get you guys into good place. We actually have done really well this cycle. We've got people into Giga Chat early, or will retire, all these AI coins that did massive multipliers. Unfortunately, for a lot of the people that held and didn't take any profit, it hasn't worked out too well. But we did massive multipliers on all of these coins, and I hope some of them served you well. Yeah, but that comes back to the point I made in past videos. Like, it's kind of a strange cycle, right? Things have just gone down out of nowhere. Nothing's really recovered like past cycles, but the good news is there's always new opportunities in crypto, and that's what I'm telling you guys about right now. Just the abstract blockchain. Start researching into it. Abster and Newt are not the only ones. They're kind of just the two main ones. I see them as being the Brett and the Toshi, right? That's kind of what a lot of other people that have been talking about Abster have been saying, and I couldn't agree more. Now, there's other low market cap coins. Like, there's a few you can find on CoinGecko, and if you go searching on the abstract blockchain and everything like that. So you guys can do that in your own time. I'm not going to shill a bunch of abstract type of coins, right? You guys can do that in your own time, like I said. So yeah, what's next in the cycle is basically, guys, stick by your guns, get those high potential plays, you know, dollar cost average into them, because this is the way of crypto, right? I'm just going to summarize everything quickly and wrap it up. This is the way of crypto, right? Everything looks bleak until it happens. So no matter how much we're getting smashed at the moment, guys, I fully understand it. These are the risks you have to take in crypto to make it. And the reason why it's so hard is because before it happens, it always looks like it's never going to happen. That's how it surprises everyone, right? Everyone goes, oh, how did that go up 200x? Because you weren't there when it went down 70%. When it went up 200% next day, then it came back down 60%. You can't handle those rides. Now, if you can, that's a whole nother story. You're going to make it in crypto. It just depends which coins you get into. Comes down to your research. A little bit of luck, obviously, and just following narratives and being on top of things. So like I said, time and time again, memes, AI, potentially gaming, we've got real world assets. But don't forget about these trends in layer ones, layer two. So there was a trend in Sui earlier this cycle, and then there was base narrative and potentially abstract narrative, right? And that's kind of just the gamble we're taking with this. Try and get in really early to this blockchain before it's taken off. And I mean, the actual abstract chain hasn't even taken off yet. Like, the actual token hasn't released. And so we're kind of waiting on that as well, which will bring a lot more volume and interest to abstract in general. So if they kind of finalize what they're trying to do, they should be right up there in contention. And like I said, with Luca Netz being the co-founder, the guy who owns Pudgy Penguins or whatever, lots of connections in the industry, clearly. I mean, that was launched pretty much on every tier one exchange the first day. It was about 2, 3, 4 billion in market cap when it released. Massive project, right, guys? So this could be one of those things that just help propel abstract. Anyway, guys, that just about sums it up. In summary, just go look into the abstract blockchain. It could be the next big thing. Could it not? Absolutely. I'm just trying to let you guys in on it. Yeah, let me know what you find in the comments down below. If you got anything interesting to talk about, maybe there's a coin you find that has a lot of potential in the chain, just pop it down in the comments down below. I'll have a look at it, because I'm always open to learning, even from you guys, right? So I'll see you in the next one. Peace, guys.